In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to safeguard your work by enabling auto recover in Microsoft Word. It's a simple process that can save you a lot of headaches by minimizing the risk of losing your important documents. Let's dive right in and explore the steps one by one. First, you'll want to open the Microsoft Word file you're working on. This is the starting point because you're really making changes that apply to how Word handles your current and future documents. Once you've got your file open, whether you're working on a draft or just want to configure settings before you get started, you're ready for the next step. Next up, you'll navigate to the Word options. This might sound a bit technical, but it's quite straightforward. What you need to do is go to the File menu, which you can find at the top left corner of your Word window. Once you click on File, a new menu will appear on the left side. Scroll down to the bottom until you see Options and give that a click. By opening up the Word Options window, you're unlocking a hub of settings where you can tweak how Word behaves to best suit your needs. Now that you're in the Word Options window, it's time to click on the Save tab. This section covers all the settings related to saving documents, very relevant to what we're doing. Pay attention to the checkbox that says Save Auto Recover Information. By default, this might already be checked, but double check to be sure. This feature is crucial because it tells Word to periodically save a temporary copy of your work. Just below it, you'll find an option that lets you set how frequently you want Word to save these auto-recover files. The default is usually set to every 10 minutes, which strikes a good balance between frequency and performance, but feel free to adjust this to something that's right for you. Once you're satisfied with the settings, there's nothing more you need to do in this window. You can simply click OK to apply the changes, and bam, you're done. These adjustments might seem small, but they can make a huge difference when you're deep into a project and something unexpected happens, like a power outage or a computer crash. With this feature turned on, you have that extra layer of security knowing your hard work is periodically saved, even if you forget to manually save it. Now you can continue working on your projects with peace of mind. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, these simple but crucial steps can ensure that you never lose hours of hard work again. Stay productive and take care.